The subject of this video is troubleshooting user login problems. Let's open up Entra, and we can go to Users, All Users, and we can select a person, the person that's having the problems, and we can check sign-in logs, device compliance, licensing. The person may have problems with their MFA, their phone, MFA being multi-factor authentication. There can be many problems at play. And the best tool for beginning the troubleshooting process is Entra. So under All Users, select the person. You can search on them. The area that I use the most is sign-in logs. But I will check audit logs, sign-in logs. I will check licensing and devices. So under licensing, I make sure that they have a license. Under sign-in logs, I make sure there's no errors. Under devices, I make sure the device is compliant. So if they were having problems logging in, experiencing problems, you would see errors. And in here, you would see what the error is in detail. And there would be recommendations. You might also have conditional access policies for your organization that limit access to certain entry points via the network, and device must be up to date and compliant configuration-wise. And this area would tell you where the login had failed. So the login can fail because the device isn't up to date with the recent software. It's not configured to your company's specification. Devices like that would show up with a red dot. The licensing may be a problem, may not have a license, but sign-in logs is definitely the best place to begin your troubleshooting. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.